You're losing muscle quickly, seniors. Have you ever felt like it's suddenly tougher to get out of bed or carry groceries unless you eat certain foods? It goes beyond simply becoming older. You're gradually losing muscle. We refer to it as sarcopenia. Additionally, you may lose up to half of your muscular mass by the time you turn 80. Here's the worst part, though. It doesn't begin in your 70s or 80s. It might start subtly robbing you of your strength, balance, and independence in your 40s. The most frightening aspect is that most people are unaware of it until it's too late. However, there is hope. In fact, some nutrients can reverse or even slow down muscle loss. And you'll know exactly what they are after seeing this video. What is the significance of sarcopenia? The medical name for the loss of muscle that nearly everyone experiences as they age is sarcopenia. However, this is not merely a minor aspect of aging. It's a severe condition that can steal your strength, mobility, and self-reliance without warning. Even if you're not aware of it, it normally begins in your 30s and worsens as you get older, reaching your 60s, 70s, and beyond. The fact that it takes time is the frightening aspect. It infiltrates gradually. Walking upstairs feels normal one day. That same set of steps then feels like climbing a mountain months or years later. Hauling groceries, tying your shoes, or simply getting out of a cozy couch. Suddenly, these routine tasks seem like actual labor. Furthermore, it goes beyond simply feeling feeble. Your coordination and balance deteriorate when you lose muscle. Small chores therefore begin to feel dangerous. A small slip could become a serious fall. Furthermore, a fall is more than just a bruise for senior citizens. Long hospital stays, damaged bones, and occasionally irreversible lifestyle changes might result from it. Many people stop moving as much after an accident, which leads to further muscle loss. It turns into a risky loop that is challenging to end. As a result, many elderly people gradually lose their capacity to live independently and require 24-hour care. And it's not simply bodily suffering, let's face it. Both the individual experiencing it and the family seeing it find it emotionally taxing. Why does aging cause muscle loss? As we age, our bodies lose muscle for a variety of reasons. Hormonal changes are the first. Hormone levels decrease with age. This comprises the hormones that aid in the development and maintenance of muscle mass, such as growth hormone, testosterone, and estrogen. Your body is unable to retain muscle as it once could if you don't have enough of these. Even with a healthy diet and regular exercise, maintaining your strength becomes more difficult. Second, cut back on exercise. We simply don't move as much as we once did as we become older. We can no longer run about, lift things, or be as active as we were when we were younger. However, we lose more muscle the less we move. We lose roughly 3 to 8% of our muscle mass every 10 years after the age of 30. And as we reach 60, that drop accelerates even further. 3. Inadequate nourishment. It's simple to lose out on important nutrients as we age. Many elderly people are deficient in calcium, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. Your body needs these building elements to maintain strong muscles. Your muscles deteriorate more quickly and don't heal properly without them. Chronic inflammation is number 4. Even if we are not aware of it, our bodies frequently struggle with persistent low-level inflammation as we age. This type of inflammation subtly hinders our ability to heal by delaying muscle restoration. It gradually erodes our strength, making it difficult to regain what we've lost. The good news is that you can avoid losing muscle. The hopeful portion comes next. Loss of muscle does not have to happen. You may be surprised to learn that you have more control over your daily routine, particularly with regard to what you eat. The correct foods can have a real impact. Here are 5 effective, scientifically supported ways to maintain muscle strength as you age. The first is lean poultry. Not only are lean poultry, such as turkey and chicken, delicious, it's among the best foods for older folks to maintain their muscular mass, and that is supported by sound science. Protein no longer has the same effect on our bodies as we age. To keep the muscle we have, we need more of it and higher quality sources. Lean poultry excels in this situation because it contains all of the key amino acids your body needs to grow and repair muscle tissue. It is a complete protein. Leucine is one of those amino acids that is particularly crucial. Your body uses leucine as a switch to signal you when it's time to put on muscle. Even when you eat other foods high in protein, muscle regeneration slows down if you don't get enough leucine. It is abundant in chicken and turkey, which makes them a wise and dependable option. Furthermore, the advantages extend well beyond muscle. Seniors who regularly consume adequate high-quality protein, particularly from lean meats, are shown to be stronger, more mobile, and even more resilient to injuries. Stronger people are more independent, have a lower chance of falling, and live better lives overall. You don't have to count every gram or adhere to a rigid diet. Simply make it a point to eat turkey or chicken 3 or 4 times a week. Don't complicate things. You may roast it with veggies, place it in a salad, grill it with a little olive oil and seasonings, or save sliced turkey in the refrigerator for a quick snack. You won't get bored eating these lean meats because they are high in protein, low in fat, and highly adaptable. Increasing your intake of lean poultry could be the tiny, steady adjustment that gives you more energy, strength, and control over your health if you've been relying on carbohydrates or missing meals entirely. Age-related muscle loss is a reality, but you don't have to accept it. You can fight back with the appropriate nutrition and a little preparation. Despite their seemingly simple appearance, chicken and turkey are incredibly powerful foods for aging well. The second is fatty fish. One of the best things you can eat to maintain strong muscles as you age is fatty fish, such as sardines, mackerel, and salmon. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have 2 major health benefits. They improve the way your muscles react to protein and lessen chronic inflammation. The crucial element is that second section. Our bodies no longer use protein as effectively as they formerly did as we age. Your muscles may not receive the full benefit of eating enough. However, research indicates that omega-3 fatty acids can actually increase your body's capacity to produce muscle from the protein you consume. It's similar to upgrading your system for repairing damaged muscles. Additionally, omega-3s combat low-grade inflammation, which can gradually eat away at muscle and grows more prevalent with age. You are therefore combating muscle loss from 2 angles at once by increasing your intake of fatty fish. That's strong. According to studies, older persons who consume omega-3 rich fish on a daily basis actually seem to get back some of their lost muscle over time, not to mention the advantages it has for the brain and heart. Try eating fatty fish at least twice a week if you're unsure how to get started. Bake or grill a piece of salmon with lemon and herbs. Toast with canned sardines or toss in a salad. Choose mackerel instead. It's tasty, filling, and readily available in most supermarkets. Supplementing with fish oil is an option if you truly can't tolerate the taste of fish. However, if you can afford it, real cuisine is always the best. Don't wait for the ideal diet plan or overthink it. You may age more confidently, feel better, and stay stronger by including a few portions of fatty fish each week. You should be able to enjoy a physique that serves you, not the other way around. Additionally, eating the correct foods has a significant impact. Please remember to hit the subscribe button if you found this video useful, so you don't miss any further advice on maintaining your health and strength as you become older. Please leave a remark below if you have any questions or comments about today's topic. Please let me know how I may be of assistance. The third item is eggs. Particularly for older folks, whole eggs are incredibly underappreciated when it comes to gaining and maintaining muscle. They are among the most comprehensive and reasonably priced protein sources available. Additionally, each component of the egg, yes, even the yolk, contributes something worthwhile. The yolk contains potent muscle-up supporting elements including leucine and vitamin D, while the white is full of high-quality protein. An amino acid called leucine acts as a signal to your body, telling it that muscle growth is time. Additionally, vitamin D is essential for maintaining healthy, balanced, and active muscles. In one intriguing study, eating whole eggs instead of simply egg whites after working out improved muscle protein synthesis by as much as 40%. That is a significant change that demonstrates the yolk's importance. Therefore, it might be time to reconsider your belief that yolks are bad if you have been avoiding them. It's also really simple to incorporate eggs into your daily routine. For breakfast, scramble them with some vegetables. Make a simple omelet for lunch or boil a few to store in the refrigerator for easy snacks. You may provide your muscles with the energy they require to remain strong by eating even 1 or 2 eggs each day. Moreover, cholesterol should not be a major concern. According to recent research, eating whole eggs in moderation has no detrimental effects on heart health for the majority of people. Eggs actually have advantages that go far beyond building muscle. They also help your immune system, eyes, and brain. Eggs can be a game changer for seniors, particularly those who aren't consuming a lot of meat or dairy. They're tasty, quick, and full of the things your body truly needs. Therefore, choose eggs the next time you're unsure of what to eat. They're among the easiest things you can do to prevent muscle loss and feel more powerful without investing a lot of time or money. Greek yogurt comes in at number 4. Not only is Greek yogurt delicious, but it also supports muscular growth, especially in older adults. It is perfect between meals or before bed since it is full of casein protein, which breaks down gradually and builds muscle over time. Completely fat calcium and vitamin D, which promote healthy bones and muscles and are essential for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as you age, are also found in Greek yogurt. Regular dairy consumption has been linked to improved general mobility and the preservation of muscle mass in older persons, according to research. The best part is that including it in your diet is quite simple. For a tasty protein-rich snack, you can top it with fruits and nuts, eat it plain, or incorporate it into smoothies. Just be sure to select the full-fat plain variety. It is free of the added sweets included in flavored varieties and contains good fats that promote hormone balance and muscular growth. One serving of Greek yogurt can significantly improve your daily protein intake if you're lacking in certain areas. It's inexpensive, easy to enjoy in a variety of ways, and kind to your tummy. Greek yogurt is a wise and easy option that works, whether you're recuperating from a stroll or simply want to keep your strength up. Beans and legumes come in at number 5. Despite their modest appearance, beans and legumes have enormous potential for maintaining muscle mass as you age. Black beans, chickpeas, and lentils, all of them are fantastic plant-based sources of protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing muscle tissue on a daily basis. Their high fiber and resistant starch content, however, further distinguishes them. The beneficial bacteria in your stomach eat this kind of carbohydrate. Inflammation also decreases when your gut is in good health. That's significant, because one of the major reasons why older folks lose muscle mass more quickly is chronic inflammation. Furthermore, beans are rich in magnesium and other nutrients that promote energy production and muscular function, making you feel stronger and more capable all day long. These little changes to your routine can have a tremendous impact, whether you're striving to keep active and independent, walking the dog, or playing with your grandchildren. The nicest aspect is how simple it is to incorporate them into your meals. They can be blended into a dip for a high-protein snack, added to soups or salads, or stirred into stews. Try to limit your weekly intake to 3 or 4 servings. It's a cheap, healthy approach to support your body from the inside out, protect your health, and power your muscles. Beans serve as more than just a side dish. In a bowl, their muscles are preserving magic. You don't have to endure year after year as your strength deteriorates. Losing muscle is not a permanent condition. You may begin to combat it at your next meal, which is today. Lean poultry, fatty fish, whole eggs, Greek yogurt, and beans are examples of basic yet effective foods that will help you do more than just consume. You're providing your body with the nourishment it needs to be capable, balanced, and active. These superfoods aren't in vogue. They are simple to incorporate into your day, proven and supported by research. Additionally, keep in mind that nutrition is only one aspect of the problem. You may better safeguard your muscles and your independence by moving more. Whether it's by stretching, walking around the block, or lifting little weights, you don't have to be feeble as you get older. If you make the correct decisions, it can indicate power and knowledge. Which dish from today's video will you include on your plate this week? If you're eager to learn more, watch our following video where we dissect the best exercises for seniors who are losing muscle. It's easier than you might imagine. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next